Yeah, that was my bike until I recently did some changes to it. Compare that to this bike, which is mine. I put a 150mm X-Fusion something fork on the front of it, a 150 travel dropper post on the front of it made by Brand X, I think, Shimano 1x11 SLX drivetrain, as well as some race face handlebars and some Maxxis tires. Every upgrade I did was in order to make the bike more fun and more playful, and I can say I definitely succeeded at that. The bike is way more fun, way more easier to corner, and can get you into trouble sometimes.
Ooh. Oh. That's not good. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I think I'm just gonna stop for today. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to put dirt here.
And now, I will show you what it's like to be an epic freerider.
Triangles. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and I'll be releasing a video next week. Until then, see you soon.